How to add background image in Figma. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a background image in Figma. It's super easy and can instantly level up your design. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, open Figma app. Now open any file or create a new one. After that, on the top you can see these different options. Click on File and then select Place Image or just press Shift plus Ctrl plus K on your keyboard. Now choose your image file and click anywhere on the canvas to place it. Click and drag the corners of the image to resize it and move it around to cover the frame or artboard however you like. You can also right click and choose Send to Back. Next step is to adjust opacity. Select the image and in the right panel reduce the opacity under the layer section. This is perfect for background images that should not distract you from your content. Now, if you are done adjusting, lock the background image so it does not move by accident. Just right click on it and choose Lock Layer. So this is how you can add background image on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.